Turning now to the deadly flooding in central Texas. Nearly 90 people were killed and dozens are still missing.
Search and rescue crews are trying to outrun rain that could bring more flooding. WGN's Winnie Dorch joining us live from the newsroom with the very latest on this. Winnie.
Good morning, guys. Well, 41 people are unaccounted for across the state. Camp Mystic confirming it lost 27 campers and counselors. Camp workers are in constant communication with local and state authorities to continue searching for several missing girls.
It was a time of great celebration. You're dropping your little girl off at camp, your little boy off at camp. You're celebrating Independence Day. You know that your child is going to be swimming and canoes and horseback riding and doing archery and making lifetime friends. And then suddenly it turns to tragedy.
Now, there have been 850 high water rescues since the start of this flood. Searchers have found 68 bodies, including 28 children in Kerr County. The National Weather Service issued a warning around 12:42 a.m. Friday morning after a flood watch notice Thursday afternoon. The flooding in central Texas originated from fast-moving waters rising to 26 feet on the Guadalupe River on Friday before daybreak. Several camps along the river sustained severe damage. Many are known to be areas of high-risk flooding. Helicopters, boats, and drones were all used to search for victims and rescue people who were left stranded. According to the New York Times, this is one of the deadliest floods in the U.S. in the past 100 years. Now, donations have been flowing in to help residents. Officials say Texas is in need of many volunteers. Ted Cruz says it will take a while to clean up or even rebuild. In the newsroom, Winnie Dorch, WGN News.
All right, Winnie, a programming note, we will continue to follow the latest on the flooding in Texas and the federal response. We do have a live report from Washington that's coming up at 11:30. You can also stay updated at WGNTV.com and on the WGN Plus app.